This video explores a few fast and easy ways to transfer your contacts to a new phone. KoMaster Mobile Transfer allows you to transfer contacts to a new phone. Download and install KoMaster Mobile Transfer on your computer. Launch the program and access the mobile transfer module to proceed. Plug both Android phones into your computer using USB cables and enable USB debugging when prompted. KoMaster Mobile Transfer will automatically detect your devices, verify that the phones are in the correct positions, or use the flip button to switch them if necessary. Choose contacts from the available options and click the Start Copy button to transfer contacts to your new phone effortlessly. If you want to transfer contacts from Android to Android, SIM card could be an easy way to achieve this goal. Firstly, move contacts from the old phone to SIM card. Here's how. Open the Contacts app on your old phone. Tap More on the top right corner. Export contacts. Export to SIM card. Remove the SIM card from your old Android phone and then insert it into your new Android phone. Import contacts to your new Android phone. Open Contacts. Tap More. Import contacts. SIM card. To effortlessly transfer your contacts to a new phone, you can employ Google Drive as a reliable backup solution. Install and launch the Google Drive app on your old phone, then log in with your Google account. Tap the menu icon on the top left corner, then select Settings Backup. Tap Contacts. After backing up the contacts on the old phone, switch to your new phone. Sign in with the same Google account. Turn on the Sync Contacts option. By doing this, you can transfer all the contacts from the old phone to the new phone. Here is how to transfer phone numbers to a new phone using Bluetooth. Connect both devices via Bluetooth. Open the source device, then the Contact app, and open the menu section. Click on the share icon. These steps may differ across device types and models. Tap on Import, Export Contacts, then Share Name Card wire and select the contacts you wish to transfer. Select Bluetooth from the sharing options.